Hello and welcome to weather. For fish folk and bathers, you need to remain cautious for yet another day. In its second update, the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service has extended the hazardous seas alert at yellow level until Tuesday 2 p.m. So we're expecting larger than normal breakers to continue, especially during the high tides. Also, we have some gusty winds which are also whipping up the seas during those scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now recently, those long northerly swells have been subsiding and they should become more easterly and more normal by the time we get to Wednesday. However, we have been seeing some fair conditions with one or two brief showers around, and that's possibly linked to this area of disturbed weather over the eastern Caribbean Sea. Now, we have disorganized showers and thunderstorms linked to a trough which is drifting westward. Well, during the next several days, an area of low pressure will likely develop just south of Hispaniola, and a tropical depression is likely to form later this week as it drifts towards the central and southwestern Caribbean Sea. So right now, there's a formation chance of about 20%, but that will rise to possibly about 60% over the next 7 days. Now, the Atlantic hurricane season is usually less active at this time of the year, at the end of October. However, a second disturbance is just about 160 kilometers east of the northwestern Bahamas. And this system, called AL96, will slowly turn towards the north and has a chance, unlikely chance, of becoming something bigger. But we do have some dry air and upper level winds, which will hinder development. Now, returning home, Trinidad's high today was 33.5 degrees Celsius. It was hotter, though, in Tobago, just at 33.6 degrees Celsius. Right now in Tobago, it's at 27, and in the Arima, it's now 28 degrees Celsius. So tonight, partly cloudy, one or two spells of showers over a few areas, and the odd thunderstorm. Expect a low of 26 degrees Celsius in Tobago, and for Trinidad, around 25 degrees Celsius under similar conditions. Now on Tuesday, it starts with a few partly cloudy spells and some showers over a few areas which will interrupt the sunshine. At Crown Point, expect 33 degrees Celsius, but Tuesday will also feel hot in Trinidad. 34 degrees Celsius is likely, but it will feel like 39. And there's that 40% medium chance of thunderstorms coming through as well. Over the next few days, we will see some brightness coming through on a Wednesday, and then we'll see yet another trough arriving on a Thursday, which will likely add more showers and also some thundery downpours across both islands on a Thursday, and then we'll get some brighter conditions on Friday as a ridge builds behind that. Now, currently, we have those northerly long swells coming through. It's moderate to occasionally choppy, especially along those near-shore areas. Waves offshore up to 1.5 meters, but near-shore still be mindful of those larger breakers. Now, high tides will be at 5:58 a.m. and at 5:19 p.m. and low tide is at 11:12 a.m. in Port of Spain. And in Tobago, you'll have two of those at 10:56 a.m. and 11:47 p.m. So as I leave you, still be cautious out at sea, especially for fish folk and bathers, until that hazardous seas alert is lifted.